Hi everyone. Okay guys. Today we're going eat dinner early. Kasi guys, nagugutom kami pagkatapos ng fishing and swimming. So, maglalakad naman kami papunta sa maglalakad na naman kami guys papunta sa dinner area. Yan guys. Yung sun ko, yan sa likod ko. Yan, dito kami dumaan sa kabilang side. Yan guys. Yan, nakalimutan kong tripod guys. Kaya yun, mukha ko ang nakikita ko ngayon. Init. Hi baby. Okay, walking in the side baby. Come here. Yan. I forgot the tripod. Possibly I bring, right? So, same again guys. Kaboy and I again, dinner time. This is our adventure day.
Adventure day.
Yeah, with my boys. Are you tired today?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you enjoy, right?
Yeah.
So you learn something how you swim?
A little.
Oh, right. How about the fishing? You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Okay. White bird flying. Be careful that not lose, okay?
Yeah.
Nice place here, Cowboy. And guys. So already forgot guys yung kung saan kami nag breakfast. So ngayon magdi-dinner kami guys. So mahirap maghawak ng cellphone guys. Mahirap yung walang nagkakamera sa'yo. Hindi hawak mo lang sa kamay mo yan guys. Nice place, Cafe.